Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel World GK. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, the European Union. The European Union consists of 27 countries in Europe. These countries came together to make things better, easier and safer for their people. They agreed to work together and help each other. All countries that are part of European Union work together in order to strengthen European economy, offer freedom, security, justice without internal borders. They work to enhance economic, social, territorial cohesion and solidarity among European countries. The European Union has developed an internal single market through a standardized system of laws that apply in all member states for social and economic growth of European countries. Now let's see which countries came under European Union. The EU members are Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain and Sweden. The United Kingdom, which had been a founder member of the EU, left organization in 2020. Here is the map of European Union. As you can see here, United Kingdom is not part of European Union, hence not shaded in blue color. All the countries which are part of European Union, Spain, France, Germany, Romania, are shaded in blue color. Now, among these countries, highest population countries are Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Poland, Romania respectively. And the countries which has lowest population are Estonia, Cyprus, Luxembourg and Malta respectively. Now let's see what is the need to form European Union. What are its goals? The main goals of European Union are as to promote peace, its values and well-being of citizens, sustainable development based on balanced economic growth and price stability, highly competitive market economy with full employment and social progress, combat social exclusions and discriminations, to enhance economic, social, territorial cohesion and solidarity among European countries, and to offer freedom, justice, security without internal borders. But how European Union is formed? What is history behind it? Let's see. The story begins at the end of World War II. As European continent lies devastated, leaving US and USSR as two major world powers. Their growing rivalry makes beginning of Cold War, while old countries is found divided by Iron Curtain. In West, idea of unity begins to take hold. On 9th May 1950, France via its foreign minister Robert Schuman proposes a Franco-German reconciliation and placing under a common high authority the production of coal and steel, which is also needed for manufacturing of weapons. The aim is to boost the European economy and maintain peace, with the project left open to countries wishing to join it. In 1951, in Paris, 6 countries signed a treaty establishing the European Coal and Steel Community. These 6 countries are Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg and the Netherlands. European Court of Justice was also established in 1952 under Paris Treaty. Now, let's talk about Treaty of Rome. To accelerate the development of Europe, the 6 founding countries meet on 25th March 1957 in Rome to sign new treaties. The first treaty creates European Economic Community, whose main objective is to establish a common market, including allowing the free movement of workers and eliminating tariffs between member states. The treaty also defines common practice on transport, trade, and agriculture. The second treaty establishes the European Atomic Energy Community, coordinating civilian nuclear research inauguration. The original purpose is creating a specialized market for nuclear power in Europe by developing nuclear energy and distributing it to its member states. The Treaties of Rome entered into force in 1958, but it would take several years for its policies to be implemented. These institutions of 3 communities are merged to enable more efficient functioning. There is now a single commission composed of commissioners chosen by heads of states. Its role is to propose European laws and common interest of its members. There is a council made up of ministers of member states and whose role is to approve, modify, or reject the proposals of Commission. There is a parliament representing people of Europe and which gives its opinion on Commission's proposal. Finally, there is a court of justice that takes rules over legality and decisions taken. In 1973, Denmark, Ireland, and the United Kingdom become members of European Union. Greece joined in 1981, Portugal and Spain following in 1986. Single European Act in 1986, enacted by European Community that committed its member countries to a timetable for economic merger and the establishment of single European currency and common foreign domestic policies. The European Union was created by Maastricht Treaty, which entered into force on November 1, 1993. The treaty was designed to enhance European political and economic integration by creating a single currency called Euro, a unified foreign and security policy, common citizenship rights by advancing cooperation in the areas of immigration, asylum, and judicial affairs. It created the way for creation of a single European currency, that is Euro. It was the culmination of several decades of debate on increasing economic cooperation in Europe. It established the European Central Bank. It enabled the people to run for local office and for European Parliament elections in the EU country they lived in. A momentary union was established in 1999 and came into full force in 2002, and it is composed of 19 EU member states which use the EU currency. In 2002, Treaty of Paris, which is established in 1957, expired, and economic, coal and steel communication ceased to exist, and its activities fully absorbed by European Community, that is EEC. The Treaty of Lisbon 2007. European Community was kissed and its activity incorporated in EU. European Atomic Energy Community is only remaining community in organization legally distinct from the European Union, but has the same membership and is governed by many of the EU institutions. Now we are going to talk about most famous Euro crisis. The global economic and financial crisis has repercussions on Eurozone, which enters a recession. After the rout of major European banks, many countries find themselves in difficulty. In particular, Greece, part of whose public debt has been kept hidden with the help of consultants from Goldman Sachs Bank, the country is forced to ask for financial aids from an Eurozone and IMF, in exchange for which it must implement austerity measures. Ireland, coming to the aid of its banks, also sees its public debt explode, but the country does not want to ask for aid for Eurozone, fearing it may in refuse be forced to raise its low corporate tax rates. The country finally receives all the aid, same in exchange for which it must adopt a strict plan. Subsequent, Portugal, Greece a second time, Spain, and then Cyprus obtain financial aid from Eurozone, while almost everywhere on the continent austerity plans are put in place. Now, the most famous part of European Union, that is Brexit, which means Britain's exit from European Union. In June 2016, United Kingdom, through a referendum, votes in favor of leaving the European Union. The UK officially left European Union in 31st January 2020. But the new Brexit trade deal happened between UK and European Union in December 2020 will come forth in 1st January 2021. So, this is all about today's lecture. Hope you all liked the video. Share this video, hit the like button and kindly subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.